Hey, gracias por mirar. I say it at the end of all my things. That means thank you for watching in Spanish. Hey, happy Dad's Day to you. Happy Father's Day. But I like to call it Dad's Day because dads are important and dads are different than fathers. You see, any male can be a father. It's just a biological function. But to be a dad is a conscious choice. It's a decision to be dedicated. And so for all you dads out there, let me say happy Dad's Day to you. Being a family man is important to me, and it's my life's goal. And you know, that's what I want to do, is just be a family man. So happy Dad's Day to you. Let me tell you, 2 years ago, 2017, my wife let me, my wife's wonderful, y'all. We're also celebrating 20 years of marriage this week. 20 years I've been married to the same wonderful woman. Yeah, it's my anniversary too. All right, 20 years ago, she let me build this for my Father's Day and that anniversary gift to myself. And so I built this ugly drum smoker. But after 2 years of hard labor, it's gotten much uglier. It's got a lot of rust on it. It needs some maintenance. And so this is the last time you're gonna see it on video looking like this. In this factory built one over here, I've got 2 port butts in it, and I've got 3 in this one. I'm gonna take you in and show you what it looks like. It's getting about time to wrap these up. One reason you hadn't seen this much on camera, though I use it frequently, is because the stuff I cook in it, I've already made the videos for. Ribs, pork butts, briskets, and if I'm doing something interesting I haven't done before, I'm doing it on one of my kettle grills most of the time nowadays. So you hadn't seen me use this much on camera, but when you do see it again, it'll be all cleaned up. So I'm gonna clean it up here real soon. Let me show you what we got in it, and once again, happy Dad's Day. Well, I can't let you go without you seeing what I'm cooking. So, come on off of there. Can you see all that? The smoke's getting to you. Can you see that? Ooh-wee! It says it's 1:59. So it's about time to wrap these up in foil. Let them go to about 2:03. Oops, should have used a glove. By the way, if you hadn't seen my UDS, an old aluminum pot lid is my vent. No chimney. I mean, I made this, you know, myself, and I'm a school teacher, not a welder, industrial arts guy. It works. Ooh, that's hot, man. That's how I adjust my vents. All right, here in the other one, got those going like that. They're at about 157, it says right now. So they're getting time to wrap too. So get these wrapped up in some aluminum foil, let them go on to 203. 5 pork butts today. All right, so that's what I'm cooking. I got to get busy wrapping these up. Happy Dad's Day to you. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.